Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To get started, make sure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a pair of tweezers. These tools will help you disassemble the laptop and access the charging port. 1. Begin by powering off your Lenovo IdeaPad and unplugging it from any power source. This is crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during the repair. 2. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws from the back panel of the laptop. Make sure to keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. There are typically 10 to 12 screws, depending on your model. 3. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the clips that hold the panel in place. 4. After you have removed the back panel, you will see the internal components of the laptop. Locate the charging port on the motherboard. It's usually near the battery connection. 5. Now, carefully disconnect the battery to ensure there's no power running through the device. This step is essential for your safety. 6. With the battery disconnected, examine the charging port area. You may need to remove additional screws that secure the charging port in place. Remember to keep track of these screws as well. 7. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the charging port from its mount. If it seems stuck, check for any connectors that may still be attached, and carefully disconnect them with your tweezers. 8. Before installing the new charging port, it's a good idea to clean the area around the connection point. Use a soft brush or a can of compressed air to remove any dust or debris. This helps ensure a secure connection. 9. Now, take your new charging port and align it with the connectors on the motherboard. Press it gently into place. 10. After securing the charging port, reconnect the battery and any other components you may have disconnected. 11. Finally, replace the back panel and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tightly fitted. If you find this process daunting or if you don't have the right tools, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our services include pickup and delivery at your home, so you won't need to worry about calls or travel. You will receive a quote before any repair is initiated, ensuring transparency throughout the process. Once everything is reassembled, power on your Lenovo IdeaPad and test the new charging port with your charger. If it charges properly, you've successfully completed the replacement. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out for professional help. Now you're equipped to handle this repair with confidence. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.